Nice, everyone. How you doing, guys? Welcome to another live stream. Wow, we're gonna have a lot of fun, honestly. What I'm planning to do right now is go over the latest resistance and support for AMP token. We'll go ahead and check other cryptocurrencies. We'll talk about the latest and what I've learned today. There's a lot of things going on which I like, and of course, the question at large: is the AMP token pump over? That's what we're gonna be discussing. And as always, guys, just having a tons of fun. It's Monday evening, 7:30 p.m. Central Time, right here in Texas, beautiful Texas. And if you are tuning in, let me welcome each and every one of you to the live stream. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for being here. Being here, honestly, you mean a lot. And in this space, in this live stream, we just talk about whatever related to cryptocurrency, stocks, and Roth IRA. And I appreciate you guys all your support. I start to see the comments right now. Anyone can watch and come. Tell your friends that we are live. Oscar Ramos is live. As always, let me go ahead and check my audio. Please, guys, tell me if my audio is doing well before I even start talking or I start with my live stream. I always ask you for the audio. Please tell me if it's well. We're gonna go over different things today, and on a very good note. And that's it. Just having a good time, guys. Welcome, everyone. How you doing, guys? Howdy from Texas. There you go. Slim Picnics. How's it going? Johnny Pies. Philosophy of Hustle. Juan Camacho. How you doing, Juan? From Chicago. I love Chicago. I was there in Chicago. I drove through Chicago because I lived a little bit in Michigan, and I had to go to Chicago. To Milwaukee. And oh boy, like, Chicago is huge. I love it. You guys have to go. You've never been to Chicago. We're going to start in a couple of minutes today. Just trying to find the live here on my YouTube feed. But yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, how's it going, guys? How's everybody doing? How you guys doing on this Monday evening? You guys like the AMP token pump? Well, that's what we're gonna be talking today. How do you guys do? Do you guys sell at the top? Because I mean, look at this. What we're looking right now is the green line is the all-time high. You're seeing on the screen is the chart for the year to date. So that's the year to date for AMP token. And I mean, we reached 12 cents. We already reached 9 cents in less than 24 hours ago. So of course, we want to see what's going to happen in the future. Let's see. But yeah, honestly, just having a good time today, everyone. Chatting about AMP token and then bouncing. For some reason, let me get to my YouTube channel here. For some reason, I don't see YouTube posting this live stream on my, because I'm subscribed. Anyway, I'm sure later YouTube is gonna recommend this, whatever. As you know, YouTube sometimes acts very weird, right? But anyway, you tell me if my audio is bad. 10 some 10, your audio sounds perfect. Awesome. That's enough for me. Well, welcome everyone. As you know, the routine, the water, because I drink a lot of water when I talk. Alrighty, guys, so welcome to the live stream. My name is Oscar Ramos. In this channel, we talk about stocks, Roth IRA, and cryptocurrencies. You're just really having a good time with everything that's happening with AMP token and with Bitcoin. Personally speaking, I started with cryptocurrencies this year, 2021. And if you are just starting right now with cryptocurrencies, let's say you just bought your first cryptocurrency and that happened to be AMP token, well, let me welcome you aboard. And you have to understand that this takes years for you to master the technique of investing. You're gonna make mistakes. You're gonna buy when it's at all-time highs. You're gonna sell when it's at all-time lows. But don't worry, it's all part of the process. So please go ahead and give us a like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. That's gonna mean a lot to me and to the community. Thank you very much. So we got a couple of people here. Johnny Perez, Philosophy of Hustle, The Dawn, Jerry, Canun, Hector. How you doing, guys? Okay, so everything is looking well. And just today, we'll just want to talk about what's happening with am token and some couple of updates. It's for my community, whoever is not here or whoever is doing X amount of things, they can watch this video later. But the idea is the following, guys. So what happened right now, and as Craig Wayne is saying, what happened right now is a small correction happening, but looking good, slow and steady. Yes, I mean, this is what is the word that I'm looking for? I cannot find it, but whatever it is, this, we cannot stop the corrections, right? We cannot stop them. Unavoidable, that was the word. This is unavoidable. When you see a pump like this, what happens typically, you have to look inside the human brain and say, okay, people are making money right now. So what's going to happen? Well, people are going to start talking about this coin. Yeah, I mean, going back to Coinbase right now, here's Coinbase. So going back to Coinbase right now, the most negative ones, ICP, we have REP, we have even Ford, because I know people, an Engine coin is another one that people are talking about right now. But you go to Change Positive, am token earlier today was in the top. So of course, people are going to be talking about that, and that's completely normal. So we're seeing right now, what I'm going to do right now during the live stream. Give me 1 second because my dog is barking. My dog was barking so much. All right. Anyway, you got a little bit more people. Isidro Ochoa, I do not have a Spanish channel. That's going to come later on, my man. Thank you so much for the question. So yeah, as Natalie is saying, it is a healthy indicator, and I agree with that, because eventually it has to happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and first and foremost, I see you guys can totally see my my lines, all-time high, all-time low, and here's the resistance for the last 24 hours, to be honest with you. And then we have the support on July the 20th at about 3 cents. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the 1 month. And I'm gonna go ahead and zoom in, and let's go ahead and dissect this a little bit more. There's no rush. Just wanted to hop in and say hi to you guys and do this live. So if you have a question, you can just post it in the chat. Plus, I do have a couple of other things that I want to tell you that I think are important for you, especially if you're a new investor. And that's it. So repeatedly, you can see that we are touching a support of about, let's see, right here, bam, of 6 cents, mid 6 cents. That, my friends, that's delicious. That is delicious for the last week. When I'm talking, if I go to Coinbase and I go ahead and you see AMP 1 week, guys, the lowest price a week ago, everyone, was 39, like it was 0.0039. That was the lowest price the last week. So the fact that we just double at this point in time, that is beautiful, right? Like what I said in my previous live stream, and I believe in today's video, is that I'm waiting for a 5 cent, low 5 cent, high 4 cent price to get back in. And some people are skeptical that may happen. Well, honestly, when it comes to cryptocurrencies, like, you can totally see these pumps and the drops, huge drops. And once you see them, especially me, I like to take and go over hard. That's my philosophy. We have JB Estrada, nice, like it. Juan Camacho, do you think it's a good idea in my behalf selling 35,000 amp at 7 cent and at 7 and 8.5 cents? Juan, if that makes sense to you, then that makes sense to you, right? Not everyone here agrees with selling right now. There's a bunch of people. Let me just tell you this, Juan. I think this can help a lot of people right now if you're watching this, right? Look, oh boy, guys, 30,000 holders. Let's give us applause right now. Empire, there you go. We just broke 30,000 holders on Etherscam. You're seeing this right now. And of course, I mean, I know what happened because of the price pump. And here it is, 30,000 holders. Wow. So to your question, everyone, look at all these people. Look at the quantity people are holding. Millions and billions. Like this is 150 million. This is 500 million. This is half a billion, right? I mean, it's incredible. And do you think these people will sell once they see the price pump and then buy again? Maybe yes, but I do, my belief as a non-financial expert, right, is that they don't sell it, because at the end they're putting themselves for thriving in the future, that they don't need to sell. And that's what I'm doing, right? But if you guys want to sell, by all means, you do whatever you guys want with your money. And another indicator is the capacity. Here it is. Here we come back to the capacity. We were, let's see, because I haven't seen the, oh my lord. Oh boy, that's huge. Guys, when we touched, let's see, let's go back. When we touched 3 cents, I'm telling you, this was 1 and then this number was a 0. When we were right here in the darkest pits of the abysm, I don't even know how to say that, but anyway, you know what I'm saying. We were at 1-0. Now it's 1-5. Oh boy. And you know why? Because people are staking, right? People are staking. What else can I say, right? People are staking. You guys are watching the live stream. Please go ahead and smash that ravishing like button, like Zip Trader says. I do watch him. Please go ahead and smash that like button and consider subscribing. Please subscribe and turn on those notification bells. That helps a lot to the community, so you too can spread this live stream around to more possible investors of AM token, and they go and invest and create more community. Thank you very, very much, guys. You're awesome. So going back, the number of holders is increasing. The staking pool capacity here on Flexa is increasing. Wow. Let me go back to the comments. That is just insane. That is just insane. What is happening here? Oh boy, did I just let me go back to live. Did I? Okay. For some reason I thought I had stop my live stream. Okay, it's still on. Okay, my bad. Because I never exit my live studio, whatever. Sorry. Okay, I'm in. Alrighty, but yeah, I mean, that's insane, everyone. Nice. Let's go back to the price. Let me see if my YouTube is already recommending. There you go. Here's the live stream. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and read the comments. I love your comments, guys, and I thank you so much for your comments. I speak and I read your comments. Yes, ma'am, and yes, sir. Let's see. Let's go ahead and read. Harold Oscar Meduela Chapan, I don't know what that is. Oscar, that's a cool mic. Hey, thank you so much. Anthony, it's a good time to buy, or would you wait till it hits 5 or 4 cents? Well, that's what I said. Anthony, I will wait. That's what I will do, right? I'm not a financial advisor. Please, you guys, do your own research. That's what I will do because it makes sense to me. And I share this with my community. And if you guys want to follow it, great. If you want to do your own thing, great. Like, just remember, as always, whatever you can afford losing, that's what you should be investing. Seattle says, hola. Hey, hello, Seattle. Love Seattle because I've never been there, but I do want to go there because of Amazon. And if they partner with Flexa, oh boy, that'll be insane. Empire, there you go, guys. There you go. Hey Victor, how you doing, buddy? Alrighty. So glad to say hi to the people here. So let's go back and we're gonna be talking about this in detail. If you guys have any questions, leave it in the comments in the description over there. So I think the big question is this, right? Like the name of this live stream, AMP token pump over. Well, I agree that this pump is over. That's it. Like we saw yesterday, Sunday, how it rose all the way to the sky, touched this, and now it's back, and now it's coming back to a correction, to a consolidation point, which that's what I love. That's what I love. Because for a long time, we were talking that the consolidation price was around 4 cents, guys, right? Then we got this jump because of Bitcoin, and now we're looking at a 6 to 7 cents. What else do you want? What else do you guys want? That's amazing. That's incredible. Now let's look at the RSI and the technicals and see what's going on. So here is the 70 upper band and the 30 upper band, lower band. And currently in the, I believe this is the 1 month view. The 1 month view, it's saying that it's below the middle band. I can also notice, if you can take a look at this, guys, this is the volume. You see this red candlestick and you see this green candlestick. Well, here, this means that a lot of people bought AMP token. That was on July 26th, which is at 40400, which that means people bought a lot of AMP token Sunday midnight, right? Like Sunday, the first hours of Sunday. And probably most of them, if not some of them, sold their positions a couple hours ago. That's what it means. That's what it means. So that's cool because, I mean, like I said earlier today, people are day trading cryptocurrencies and they're just doing it to benefit themselves, and that's okay. I mean, that makes sense to them. I don't have anything against that. I think if people day trade stocks and gambling, because I went to Vegas and I've seen gambling now firsthand, and it's insane. I wouldn't consider cryptocurrencies gambling, but for some cryptos, I think it kind of comes close to that. For Ethereum, for Bitcoin, for AMP token, that it's long term. I mean, absolutely not. But anyway, that's what I think. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a look at this. I do think that AMP token is gonna break this support and keep coming back down. I don't think it's gonna just stay there. But I hope to be wrong. Please, hope to be wrong. What I believe is that we're gonna be staying somewhere in the vicinity. I'm gonna go look at this. Well, what will be? Okay, right here. Right here. So I want to see the price of AMP token drop somewhere here. You see that? That's mid, like upper mid 5 cents. I think it could drop somewhere here. It can come back up. Then it can keep dropping, possibly, and then come back up. That's what I think could happen. That's what I think could happen, in my opinion. Oh, come on. There you go. So based on that new price that we're having, that's my prediction for AMP token at this time, that it can continue dropping. Because remember, less than 24 hours, we go back to AMP, 24 hours, we were at 6 cents. So I do see some 5 average I hope to be right, so I can load more AMP for my portfolio. Peter, where we at the end of think it goes to 5 cents possibly. Queens, hey Queens, will Ethereum hit 5K or more by January? Ethereum by the end of the year, 5K. I see it. I see it. I think that's my answer for you, Queens. Marty, it wants CNBC around 5 o'clock today. Henry, I buy $100 of AMP every Friday, no matter what price is. I mean, for the long term. Henry, I'm gonna pin your message, Henry. I like your message. Like it. Makes sense. Hey Johnny, how's it going, buddy? I like Henry's Chandler message. I buy $100 AMP every day. I think every Friday. Okay, every Friday. That's good. That's good. I mean, I think that's a great strategy, no matter what cryptocurrency you own. I think that's a great strategy because that's recommended in index funds and stocks. And if you practice that with cryptocurrency, I think you'll be golden. You'll be golden. Victor Villegas, big up from Brooklyn. The Empire is vast and global. Keep doing what you're doing. Channel is definitely informative and entertaining. There you go. What's the lowest the nest that you'd think it's going to? I think the lowest, like I said, at this point, based on what I see in the stats and right here and where we're coming from, 4 cents. Yeah. So I always account for the human factor. And I'm going to be touching way more on the human factor right now because there's one topic I also wanted to tell you guys, and that's Bitcoin's stock to flow model or stock flow model. Yes, we're going to be talking about the stock flow model on Bitcoin because that's very important. Now, if you're coming to this live stream to hear a lot about AMP token, that's what I'm here for. But do not close your eyes to Bitcoin because what Bitcoin does and follows, we also kind of follow the pathway. So we need to be open to what happens to pops so the kids are playing good, okay? We're going to be talking about Bitcoin a little bit right now. And the human factor. So what is the human factor? Well, today I watched Andre's video. It's really good. I recommend you guys to go and watch it. And his video was titled, I believe, what's the next Bitcoin's move, if you haven't watched it. And he precisely speaks on the Bitcoin stock to flow model lag chart. And what he's saying is that basically this chart that was created by someone super smart predicting the price of Bitcoin over the upcoming years, he is trying to say, well, why are we not targeting and reaching the prices that the model is predicting? And one of the things he says at the end, he answers a question, and he's basically like, well, this chart is probably not counting on the human factor, which is what the governments do. What the governments do, what institutions do that affect what humans, right, do, leaders do to either benefit or affect negatively the price of AMP token. And in his video, he details, right, how if everything goes according to the model that has only been seen proven to be right when it crosses the upper band of the model, these peaks that you see right here, I believe the model, yes, the dots that you see here, let me see. Yes, okay, yeah, I'm right. The dots that you see here, like the red, the green dots, the blue dots, the orange dots, the red dots, that's Bitcoin's current price. The light blue line That's the stock to flow model, okay? So basically he says the stock to flow model has been correct ever since, and the price of Bitcoin has surpassed the model 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 positively, right? Positively. But if it actually surpasses the model, but on the opposite way, so negatively, that still is fine because we have done it conversely. We have done it positively. So if we do it negatively, that shouldn't scare anyone. Does that make sense, guys? So with that, I say, if Bitcoin is following the stock to flow model based on, you know, current circumstances and taking into consideration the human factor, well, that for AM token, I mean, based on this model, it's saying that by the end of the year, it's about here, guys. Here, there you go. So by the end of the year, you're seeing on the screen right now, the number you're seeing on the screen right now based on this model is 114,000 for one Bitcoin. I'm going to repeat that once again. 115,000 for one Bitcoin. So where do you think the price of AM token will be if that price is reached? Oh boy, that will be insane. That will be insane. So I want you guys to understand, if you're watching this video right now, if you're watching me right now, right? So there's many factors that you would like to take into consideration, and this is one of them. And I'm very glad that Andre explained it very in detail. He goes super down. I really like his channel. So just wanted to let you know, guys, for more information, right? Oscar, hey, Tocayo, you should really look into Anchor if you haven't already. I know, Tocayo, Oscar. And for those who don't know, Tocayo means like if you have the same name. That's how we call ourselves, you know, in Mexico, like Spanish countries, whatever. Anyway, so I people have mentioned Anchor. I just haven't looked at it, but I know. Don't worry, I know. Peter, $2 to $3. Frankly, if you buy AM token under a dime, the next few weeks and months, you'll be looking back in time fondly. I think that's a good thing. How do you feel about Harmony One? Awesome, people. Awesome. We got a little bit more people here in the chat, everyone. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notification bells. Appreciate all the support, guys. Thank you so much. So yeah, we're talking about the pump, right? Is it over? I think the pump that we lived right now, in the last 24 hours is over. The news are out. We know that we know what Amazon is trying to do now. So that moved the price of Bitcoin to almost $40,000. It reached $40,000. Look, the price of Bitcoin reached, here it is. Wait, I'm going to go to here. If you didn't know, the price of Bitcoin reached today, here it is. You're seeing on the screen right now, $40,000 at 2:20 p.m. Central. It reached 40,000, so that's a huge resistance that it was broken today. That is great. That is fantastic. So, I mean, for the ones who want a new pump, well, the most recent one was right here a couple hours ago. My recommendation to myself, what is it? Prepare for next one. Because let me show you one thing. And that one thing is a survey. Here's the live, guys. Thank you so much for your support. Appreciate it. Let me show you today's survey. 1,000 votes 11 hours ago. And I'm going to show you the contrast. And I think it's happening and I like it because we're trying, in my channel at least, you know, I'm trying to to keep things conservative. I'm trying to keep things realistic, right? Because of course we all want I'm talking to be $1. I'm not against that, to be honest with you guys. But this is what's happening, right? I asked the price prediction of I'm token a little bit more than 1 month ago. It's right here. You're seeing this right now. And I ask you guys, what is your price prediction, right, by the end of the year? And massively 40% said 51 cents to $1. Now, still I think that's huge and that's too much. And if we ever reach those points, the market will be so insane and I'll love it, but I don't think it's realistic. My second one will be 16 to 25 cents that I do agree the most. So that was 1 month ago, right? In my community. Right now, bam. Just 11 hours ago, we got way more votes. So thank you so much for the support, guys. And look at this. Now it looks a little bit better, in my opinion. Still, people wanted to fly to 50 plus cents. But now people are saying from 11 to 25 cents. You see what I'm saying? So in my opinion, guys, I think we're getting better with the predictions. I think if we ever reach these points, because here's the thing that I'm trying to say. I'm not saying that we may not reach 50 cents. We may, but you and I know that reaching 50 cents by pumping is not efficient. Okay? I'm going to say that once again. Reaching 50 cents by pumping is not efficient. You and I want consolidated, slow and steady, long-term prices. Are you following me? So I don't want 9 cents pump. It doesn't work because I'm not going to be awake when that happens. I'm going to be sleeping. I want this. You see? I want this where I can nicely and stay in a price range. That's what I'm looking for. I mean, because right now cryptocurrencies and I'm talking, it's still super volatile, super early. The market is crazy. We'll see these pumps and dumps. But once things get a little bit more stable, then I do expect a more stable price, like an index fund. Not maybe like an index fund, but like say like a Microsoft stock, if you are into stocks, right? The Microsoft stock goes up by 2%, goes down by 2%. Like it really doesn't change. That's the type of cryptocurrency I'm looking for. But if you're playing, I'm talking right now, well, I mean, let me go back to crypto coin market. We're not even halfway of the circulating supply. Not even halfway, right? Where is it? Here it is. Here it is. 42 billion out of 99, 100 billion. Not even halfway. So there's going to be a lot of things going on. I mean, guys, I remember I found AMP token. Let me just tell you this. Actually, should I go? Yes, let me go and show you this. I got a little bit over 80 people watching me right now. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support. You're seeing 42 billion right now. Follow me. Don't lose track of this. 42 billion right now. July the 26th. Let's go back to my first video where I show you back in the day the tokenomics. It's going to be how to buy AMP token for beginners. This one. Here's my first video on AMP token. Oh boy, back in those days. So let me see, because I believe I show, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, please tell me I show that, because I show it somewhere. Oh no, I did not. Okay, had to be. Oh, here it is. Here it is. This one with the Dogecoin comparison. The current supply. Where is search? Okay, that's a bummer. That's a bummer. I cannot find it. But I think my point here is that I cannot find it. Garbage. Anyway, my point is, guys, that we have increased. That's what I wanted to say, but I couldn't find, because I do mention the circulating supply, but I just can't find it right now on the go. I have to find it, right? You know what I'm trying to say. But anyway, the circulating supply is increasing. So once, of course, we get close to the 80-90%, the coin will be more, the scarcity will increase, the rarity will increase, the price of one token should increase. So bam, there you have it. There you have it. Let's go back to the comments. Kevin, how you doing, Kevin? We love I'm token. It's amazing. There you go, buddy. Thank you so much and welcome. Armando Calzada, almost everything is down currently, by the way. That's true. That's true. Absolutely. And we love it. I mean, it's fine. Peter Marrero, that's all coming over time through, correct? Even through the pump caught me sleeping, of course. Ivan Colon, you're gonna be sleeping, bro. You're gonna be sleeping. You're gonna be doing whatever, living life. I personally don't want pumps and dumps, but that's what it is, bro. That's what I like. Guys, we have a little bit over 90 people watching. Please go ahead and like the video so YouTube recommends this to more people. Subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and give some support. Turn on those notification bells and let us know if you have any questions. And by the way, if you are into I'm Token and all these types of cryptocurrencies, make sure you let me see. Well, make sure you guys get some merch right here. Make sure you guys go ahead and click the link down below. I have in the description, I have a merch items and some good cool products if you're into that. Thanks so much. Hey Trent, use your video today to stake my AM token. Thank you, sir. Trent, awesome, buddy. I'm gonna go ahead and pin your comment. Love the comment. Love the comment. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. And how did it work? Did it work fine? How much was the gas fees? Tell us, tell us. Give us all the secrets, Trent. What are the coins you hold? I'll tell you right now. Yeah, Peter, the circulating supply is coming over time. That's true. So make sure you guys are staking as well. That helps. So going back to the price predictions right here. Perfect. Nice. Love it. So yeah, I think we're getting better at the price predictions. And like I say, guys, sip of water, of course. So like I said, I want to see 10 cents stable. I want to see 10 cents nice, consolidated, growing. I want to see 10 cents being the support. How about that? Bam. Pen drop. There you go. I want to see 10 cents support, not resistance. Because right now, it's resistance, right? Let's go back to year to date. Here it is, 12 cents. So we have a long way to go, guys. But let me tell you, I'm a human too. I'm a human too. And when we were right here at 3 cents, I was like, oh boy, I'm Token has to do something, right? We're still holding, but I'm Token has to step it up. And it did. And it did. Oh, right here. My bad. And it did. So that's pretty much it. I mean, what else, guys? I mean, that's pretty much it. Oh, there you go. I'm just noticing the MACD as well crossing, guys. So green histogram, positive news. This is the year-to-date technicals, and the yellow line is the exponential moving average 21 days. So the price of AM token is above the 21-day exponential moving average, which means by definition it's overbought, it's over. I mean, it should be below the 21 for you to buy and make a qualified, educated investing trade. Okay, here's the price of I'm talking at 6 cents, and the exponential moving average is at mid 5 cents. Again, I'm basing my retracement on technicals. That's it, right? If the exponential moving average is saying 5 cents, mid 5 cents, I always kind of take like 5.5 cents from that, because I know it can drop all the way because it's crypto. Okay, like right here, drop below. So always kind of anticipating the market and saying, okay, well, it's gonna continue dropping a little bit more, maybe even lower than we were expecting. And when you see that, attack, and that's it. Bajam. Like Cody. Hey, Cody, what's up, buddy? JV Estrada, what's your strategy for paying taxes on crypto? What a nice question. What a nice question. Hey, I'm gonna pin your message, Trent, but thank you so much for that. I'm very happy that you staked. So let's go to this question. Oh, here it is. I think I'm gonna start doing this from now. I'm gonna start pinning the questions that I kind of like focus on, so you guys see the question and what's happening, right? So there it is. So JB Estrada, what's your strategy for paying taxes on crypto? Here's my strategy. You want to hear the strategy? Go to an accountant. I know that's probably what you weren't looking for, but if I'm not mistaken, like I mentioned in one of my live streams, some of you caught it. I talked to my accountant like a week ago. My dog, guys. Wait. You guys want to see my dog? Oh, I'm in the middle of a live stream. She's so cute. Wait, I'm in the middle of a live stream. Come on. You have food, you have everything. Oh boy. Molly. Wait. Oh, sorry guys. My doggy. You guys gonna see it? I'm sorry, it's the dog. Okay. Super quick. Super quick. I have to speak to her in Spanish. It's still el mic. That's the mic. Say hi to the Empire. All right, Molly. Let's go. Hey, now you got to see her. Oh, yes, now, sir. Anyway, guys, well, that's a doggy. So, I want him. I know she's so. It's a chi. But anyway, guys. Anyways, I would like to have fun, of course. Clean dog. She's beautiful, by the way. So what was I saying? Eric, how you doing, Eric? Oscar, love your videos. Can I get a shout out? Eric Villarreal, my man. There's a shout out. So back to the question. Back to the question about paying taxes. So I talked to my accountant, and basically he said, you know what, just bring me all the forms, like Robinhood, if you're trading cryptocurrencies on Robinhood, if you're trading on Coinbase, if you're trading on Gemini, like all of them should give you a form once, you know, the year ends or before the year ends. Get that form and bring it back to the to your accountant or to TurboTax. I previously used TurboTax, but now I'm gonna go with an accountant since I'm trying to add YouTube to, you know, my sources of income. So there's a lot of things in my personal case, but I think at this point you do want to do things right when it comes to cryptocurrencies. That's what I believe. That's what I want to do things right. I don't want to miss any single transaction or so, because I don't want to have problems with the IRS, right? Nobody wants problems with the IRS. So that's what I'm trying to do at this time. So that's what it is. So yeah, that's my thoughts on cryptocurrencies when it comes to taxes. Once we get to that point, I'll hopefully do a video about it, and even I can do like an interview with my accountant so he can help us understand a little bit more. Because if there's one thing I will never really talk about on a super detail, is taxes. I'm not an expert on taxes. I don't want to be an expert on taxes. I want to pay someone to do my taxes. Can we agree on that? Alrighty. Good question, JB. Thank you so much. Good question. You say, Trent, gas fees for today were $12. That's not bad, Trent. Awesome. Hey, Eric, how do you feel about the longevity of Flex's staking reward pool? Do you think once this runs out of transactions or on its own will provide more or less rewards for stakers? Well, before, I think about 3 months ago, guys, staking pool with Flexa was more than 4%. Now it's 3.8%. So it's coming back. Even Gemini, let's go. Let me see. Well, anyway, Gemini, when I started with Gemini Earn, I was one of the first ones because Gemini started doing the Earn this year. They started with like 2 point something for AM token now, and they are, decreasing that amount. So eventually, these companies will start decreasing the amount as more people come. That's like just a marketing tactic they use to get more people. That makes total sense. Ivan, Oscar, here in Puerto Rico, we don't pay taxes for crypto. A lot of Americans are moving to the island for that benefit. Ivan, you're spilling the secrets. That's awesome, bro. I know there's some places in the US that have great benefits when it comes to taxes. So definitely look into that. If that's in your possibilities and range, definitely, please don't forget about that. Hey, Peter. Yeah, you can accumulate your loss and your taxes over and over, so you add up. See, I mean, you guys probably know more about taxes than I do, so that's fine. I'm not even here to talk about I'm not an expert in that. So yeah, that's great. $3.91. So it increased in the in Flexa capacity. Really? That's cool. That's cool. Actually, let me try again. Because if you guys don't remember, last time I tried to connect my wallet, it didn't let me. It was saying that I had 0 AM tokens, which I don't know why. So I'm going to try it again right now. Because I have my AM tokens. I have my AM tokens. I have them right here. Look, have them right here. $35 of AM token in my wallet. I have 548 AM tokens. Looking good. So I'm going to go ahead and connect Coinbase wallet. There it is. There it is. There it is. It's working now. It's working now. Okay, so last time it was not working. I don't know why, but now it's working. Yeah, last time I tried, it says 0. So I don't know. So let's say stake. Oh, it increased. That's nice. Yeah. Thank you, Tyler, if you're watching. Nice. It increased. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, I like it. So it was 3.86 before, guys. If you watch my video, I think it says 3.86, but now it's 3.91. Finally, so there you go. Even better news to stake. Awesome. That's great. That's really good. That's really good. So there you have it, guys. There you have it. There you have it. Let's go ahead and update, and we're increasing our Etherscan holders, baby. We're increasing. Nice. We are increasing. Evangelos, how you doing, buddy? Welcome. Not really means a lot of people on stake and maybe sold. Who cares about those paper hands? Maybe we'll come back. Who knows? Dad of 3, hey, buddy. Cody, Victor, got a question, but staking. When I pump... So when I put AMP to stake, am I still gaining and losing value as it goes? I mean, the money you have AMP token staking, right? The price of the coin is changing, so your money is changing, but you have the same amount of AMP tokens there, plus the rewards, of course. A per trader on Gemini, at least for me. Yeah, I know. I mean, $12 for gas fees. You might don't want to pay that, and you want to still continue on Gemini. You decide whichever, right? Whichever works best for you. You do what's best for you. That's it. That's it. Hey, Liz, what's up, buddy? Let's all go to Puerto Rico and buy a jet with AMP money. That's true. Let's go ahead and get the Lambos, right? Win Lambo. So let's see how AMP token is doing on. Is it still in number 9? Let's see. Oh, there you go. So AMP token is coming back, everyone. AMP token is pulling back once again to 0.063. Civic, Live Peer, and this one that I don't know how to pronounce. They're all coming back. What is this? Civic. Is this the car from what? Honda? I don't know what is this, but oh boy, you gotta be careful with these tokens. Number 9 still. Number 9, baby. Number 9. That's cool. That's cool. Look at this, guys. Look at this. There you go. Told you. We just crushed that support. We just crushed that support. I'm gonna do 1 day. There it is, guys. You're seeing the live. You're seeing the live of AMP token price right now. That's the live. I'm gonna remove this line. So here was the support. Here was the resistance. Where is it? Here's the resistance right here. Support. Now, are we pulling further down? That's the question, right? There it is. That's the question. And my answer is already given to you many times. 5 cents or even upper 4 cents. But in all, listen to this, guys. When it comes back down, your boy's gonna buy a couple more, and then it's gonna come up, and then I'll celebrate with you, and then it's gonna come probably back down a little bit more, and I'll buy a little bit more. So it's a cycle, and once you understand that one, there it is. That's what you wanna practice, right? That's what you wanna practice. Period. That's it. Everyone, you're watching this video. My name is Oscar Ramos, and in this channel I talk about stocks because I like stocks. You can make a lot of money in the stock market and options. I talk about Roth IRA. I believe in long-term growth little by little with Roth IRA, index funds, mutual funds, whatever. I believe in that, and I talk about cryptocurrencies. What's popping up right now in the market, the altcoins, different projects from great companies and institutions. That's what I talk on the channel. If that makes sense to you, I ask you to please like, subscribe, and turn on those notification bells. That supports the channel and myself. Thank you very much. So you can totally see, guys, in the 1-day chart, we are below the lower band of the RSI. Bam, you see that? So 1 day, it's coming back down. So that's the first sign of a pullback. Let's go to 5 days. We're touching the lower band on the 5-day chart. You see that? That's nice. Let's go to the 1 month. We're coming back down. That's cool. So next support will be at around 5 cents, guys. Upper 5 cents. That's my next support. But if we start to see, I'm talking rise again, oh boy, that's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. Hey, Chimedzi, welcome aboard. Just joined not long ago. Is there any altcoin that you want to recommend? Well, what I recommend is the following. I recommend first building a good, nice stash of Ethereum. That's what I did earlier in 2021. I have more than one Ethereum. Then after having more than one Ethereum, I switched to a little bit of Bitcoin. And then after that, then I started looking into altcoins. That's what I did. Why? Well, because now I have Ethereum, which is more, stable, goes a little bit slower, but I like it. But if I can recommend you one right now, Algorand looks really nice. Cardano. I know people are looking into Link, and I'm talking. Yep. I'm never going to say like Shiba Inu Dogecoin or Elongate or whatever garbage that is. No, never. So now you know. Now you know. Hey, Michael. There you go. Great news. Amazing. Gonna pin your comment. Love it. Thank you so much for the support, my man. Appreciate it. But yeah, hey, DJ Flexa, good to see you, buddy. You do pay gas fees to stake on the Coinbase wallet. You do pay just sometimes $10 or $20, like my video when I explained that. But the cheaper you find it, the better. To be honest with you, the cheaper you find it, the better. So we passed the resistance and we're coming back down, still coming back down. So for those who are watching and never really understand crypto, this is what crypto does. Blows up. When you see this, guys, expect a pullback. Almost the same size as the pump. Okay? Let's say that I'm wrong, that it's not gonna be the same size as the pump. You're saving your risk. You're minimizing your risk. Okay? What I preach is educative, conservative trading. Guess. Pumps, you know it's gonna come back down, right? But if you're trying to day trade this thing, for us long term, I don't care about this because I'm still gonna hold, to clarify. But for day traders, because I know different people watch me not only for long-term success but also for day trading, because they jump from one coin to one coin to one coin to one coin to one coin. Like some people are here for I'm token, but they want to jump and just kind of scramble all the way around for the monies. Well, you have to take minimum risk, and when you see this green, sell. If you are awake by then, because that's the thing. This happened late at night and I was watching the Olympics. I was watching how US is doing very well, and I'm like, wow, that's awesome. And then I just pull up my phone and I'm like, what's going on? You see? You don't have time. So that's why um, there's, I mean, for so many people know, like in the stock side of investing, they know that if you just put your money on SPY, which is the S&P 500, and you just let it sit there for 10 years, chances are that you're going to do way better than the guy who's trading on a day-by-day basis and misses the best 15 to 20 best days in that time period. So sometimes it's just better to hold it. Okay? Does that make sense? Does that make sense? Got a little bit more people here. That's awesome. Empire, let's go. It's nice. To the moon. And you know what? I think what I really like, after all, is having a chat section where people can go wild talking about I'm talking. Like, I'm not the main person here. The channel here on YouTube serves as a platform for you guys to come and talk. That's the way I see it, right? I'm not here because I know it all. I've been posting. Today's video was a blowout. Thank you for today's video support. It's awesome, honestly, guys. You guys are insane and are in a way transforming and changing my life, my income. So I really thank you a lot. But yeah, I mean, I think it's about the platform, and at the end, it's you guys are coming and sharing your thoughts, and I'm always loving to learn and you know, looking at different comments. I like that a lot. And by the way, I mean, I know I do have an audience that wants to hear me in Spanish. I know Spanish because I'm from Mexico, so still not there yet where I want to be to open like a Spanish channel, but I know it's coming soon. So you have to stay tuned for the latest on that as well, which is incredible. So things are happening, and I love it that YouTube can allow these platforms to be used by anyone can do this, and I think that's the beautiful thing about this. Absolutely. Okay, we're starting to see some green. We are starting to see some green. SOS, we're starting to see some green. So you have to look at the candlesticks, guys. Look at the candlesticks. Some patterns here. Jonathan Marokin, what is your price prediction? My price prediction, I think by the end of the year, is 15 to 20 cents. Nice consolidated price. We may reach above 20 cents by a pump. What I mean pump, something like this. We may be reaching 20 cents, but then it comes back down immediately. So that's still counts as an all-time high, but it's not really enough for people to make trades, right? So for the whales, forget it. The whales are doing whale things, right? But for us, it's a different ballpark. It's a different story. And now that I have a little bit more people watching, a couple minutes ago I mentioned about the Bitcoin stock to flow model that I watched the video today with Andre, his latest video, and basically is the predicted line of Bitcoin's movement and price. Right now it seems that the price of Bitcoin is below the model, but the model really hasn't been too separated from the current price, and actually the price of Bitcoin has risen above the predicted model more than 4 times. So the fact that Bitcoin's price is below the model right now is not neglecting that the model doesn't work, because it already surpassed the model. So if it passes the model negatively, that still works. So we'll just have to see that relationship. But at this time right now, the model predicts a price for Bitcoin at around $80,000+ for one Bitcoin. But the price of I'm talking right now is 30,000, right? So if indeed the model is correct, if indeed the model is correct, and we actually come back to $100,000+ that the model predicts by the end of the year, do you have an idea what's gonna do? What that's gonna do to AMP token? It's gonna send it flying, right? So there's just nothing but very good news. That's what I can tell you. I'm not really pumping. I'm not really like hyping these things up. I'm just setting the facts straight. I'm just giving you the facts straight. That's it. Those are the facts. And I always try to watch smarter people than me because there's so many out there, smarter people than me. So that's what it is. I hope, I hope that we get to those levels. Very funny comment. Orgasm. Hey, well, what I can tell you, my friend, welcome to crypto. When I often see a comment in my comments, from my videos about about not being used to volatility, I always tell them, welcome to crypto, because that's what happens. That's what happens to crypto. Hey, John Doe, thanks for the answer, Cody. How do I stake? John Doe, there's a video I made about staking. So you can find it in my video gallery, or if you just browse it, I'm talking how to stake. You'll find it. Pirate Trader, I see I'm token for sure $1 in 1 or 2 years, and maybe as high as $15 right now. So in my mind, always hold for at least 5 years and then ask yourself again. Yeah, I mean, it's taking some time. I mean, there's no rush, absolutely. It's just fun because nowadays you have all the social media possible to talk about a price movement and to alert the waves, alert the masses with one simple price movement. And of course, people make their decisions based on that. Gary, hey Gary, welcome. I'm to the moon. I got in at 4 cents and I love it. Oh, you got it at 4 cents? Here's my digital hi-fi. Good job, buddy. There's not really, it's not, what is it called? Rocket science. I mean, it's just, you see it red, deadly, like hitting the streets, bloody red. When nobody's talking about it, when everyone is bashing on it, when everyone is telling you AMP is garbage, that's the moment. When everyone is saying AMP token and that guy, Mexican guy, Oscar, know nothing, they're trash, they're just crazy. That's the moment. That's the moment. But sometimes you have to learn the hard way. What else can I say? By the way, guys, let me go ahead and ask. Question, Paul. I received some comments in my latest video about the intro. What do you guys think about the intro? Do you guys like it? I liked it. Using my mind for creativity purposes. I liked it. Just a little bit of fun. 7 seconds of fun. Wargasm got in at 0.003. What? You got in at 0.003? Oh boy, that's awesome. And Sol at 9 cents, still bullish. Oh, Wargasm, you really made a lot of money then. Wow. That is great, bro. That is great. Awesome, Joe. Anytime, buddy. Anytime. Ah. So yeah, I mean, if you post comments on my videos, I may use them. Be aware, but I'm not gonna show you a comment if it's like a negative comment, like your name. I was going to show their names, but I'm like, no, 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 it's not worth it. I'm just gonna blur it out. That's it. I don't want issues, you know. Saving myself from trouble. Alrighty, closing the poll. Just a quick poll. So, price of I'm token decreasing. Price of I'm token decreasing. So you guys 80% above say you liked it. Awesome. Just wanted to check. 22 votes. Nice. Thank you guys. Appreciate the support. Wow. $51%. That was the increase. 51%, guys. Bam. That's nice. That's amazing. Those are the updates, everyone. Those are the updates. Nothing but really good updates that we have for you for AMP token. We have the rest of the week. This is just barely starting. But what I can tell you is that you have to be ready for what's coming up this week. In less than 24, well, like 36 hours, because yesterday at 8:41 p.m. we were like at 6 cents, so we were like at the same price yesterday. Right here, there you go, right here. Yes, right here. So it's been like 36 to 24 hours, but this 9 cent and 8 cent and so that's, you know, unprecedented in the last 1 month, 30 days. So it's the beginning of the week. I'm ready, you know. Wargasm. Thanks BitBoy for the pump. Hey, you gotta take advantage of whatever opportunity comes to you, right? I mean, the Alexa Flexa partnership, it's a rumor, of course. Amazon having this job. Amazon product lead, crypto. Here it is. So Amazon posting this job, which I know by now there's tons of applications, I'm sure. And you know who should apply, guys? The top lead, like the tech lead. He should apply. But just by them posting this job, guys, says a lot of what the future is coming for Bitcoin, number one. And if Amazon actually partners with someone, like some AMP token creators were saying, there's a good chance that Flexa could be chosen, because right now Flexa, now it's working. Flexa is working with Flexa Network is working with Flexa.com. Here it is. So Flexa Network is working right now with Whole Foods, which is owned by Amazon. So it's not like they haven't worked before in the past, right? So yeah, that is the idea. A lot of things happening, everyone. Very excited for what's coming up this week, and we gotta stay tuned for that. Anyway, bro. Anyway, guys, I'm bouncing back. Thank you so very much for coming to the live stream. Appreciate all the support. Go ahead and grab your AMP token and crypto swag from the merch store in the description below. If you want to join the Patreon community, there's my link as well down there. Go ahead and talk to me on Discord. We gotta see what's going on with AMP token. It's still gonna keep bouncing back up and down. So we'll just be in touch, and I'll give you all the updates But honestly, thank you guys for all your support, your comments. I love it. You guys have a great night. Please be safe. Keep rooting for Team USA and whatever team you are rooting for in the Olympics, because I mean the Olympics are happening right now. So I'm gonna go back to the TV and enjoy the rest of my Monday. But honestly, guys, incredible support, and we're ready for what's coming up. Let's see what happens with AMP token, altcoins, and Bitcoin. You guys take care. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace, everyone. Take it easy, and I'll see you next time with tomorrow's video. Woo! Good night, guys. Take it easy. Good night from Texas. Let's go!